Valentine's Day this year with a delicious sweet or savory grazing board. Summer and Lena, they're here to show us how to make one. Thank you guys for joining us. And you can do this all right at home.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, of course.
The fun thing about this board is you can do them at home. You can do them with your little kids. Just fun and easy.
That's awesome. Now, I've seen your Instagram, and the grazing boards, which is a term I've never really ever used, is the perfect term for it because it's huge and awesome. And for Valentine's Day, you got something special for us.
Absolutely. Grazing boards are the new thing. We've taken a traditional grazing board and we've kind of put a little modern twist and made it sweet. So today we're going to build a sweet grazing board.
All right. And Lena, you do this at home, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Very cool.
So first step with building your grazing board is you want to start with your bigger components. You want to put those down first.
Okay. Biscotti, is that what that is?
Yes, those are biscottis, and these are some dipped Oreos right here.
It's all the presentation. Nope.
Absolutely. It's all about placement.
Where do you go to get all these goodies?
I'm all over. I'm at Trader Joe's almost every day.
Yeah.
I'm at Orsingigi, just a bunch of fun places in Salt Lake. I'm there almost every day finding beautiful things for your boards.
And Valentine's Day, this is the time to do this. I mean,
absolutely.
You can bring just the traditional flowers or chocolates, but if you brought this home, I mean, if I brought this home, this would be impressive.
Yes, if you brought this heart home and said, this is the only heart that should be broken, I think your girlfriend won't be mad, or wife.
You were telling me a little bit about this. I've never seen this. I don't know what this is. This is a heart. You put lots of goodies in it, and then you break it.
Comes with this fun little hammer. If you just break it, hit it a few times.
You want to show us how to do this, Lena? Will you break that heart for us?
Do you want to break it?
Have you broken hearts before?
Yes.
Not just the boys in your second grade class. Got it. Okay, here we go. Show us how to do it. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, that is so cool. And is this edible? Whatever this is?
It is. It's all edible. Everything inside. The chocolate shell is edible, so you could eat everything.
How fun is that? Look at that. That's cool. You got to do it again.
And do it again.
Yeah, it's just fun to break it. That's cool. And then inside here, you can put whatever goodies you want. What is your favorite thing to put in here, Lena?
Probably gummies.
The gummies, that would be good.
We can put gift cards, money, we could put anything you want inside. That's the fun thing about it. They're totally customizable, just great for any holiday.
That's so cool. Now this is the sweet grazing board. You also do a lot of the savory grazing boards.
Yes, we have been doing so many savory grazing boards, but I mean, sweet is almost fun too.
What do you think the trick is to making the best grazing board? What is your secret?
I think the secret is just having a little bit of everything on there. You want texture, color, flavor, sauces. I think that's the best part, is just you get a little bit of everything.
Yeah, and then getting everybody involved in it makes it a lot of fun, right?
Super fun.
For sure. So where can we follow you?
You can follow me on Summertime Sweets on Instagram, or email me, summertimesweets@gmail.com.
Summertime Sweets, that's the place to go on Instagram.
Yes.
I've seen it. Check out the pictures. You can't believe it. They're massive grazing boards, and this is so sweet of you to come in and share these with us. And Lena, thank you for doing that. That's awesome. We appreciate you. Thanks for coming anytime, okay, guys?
Absolutely.
And happy Valentine's Day early.
Thanks.